this plane is super fun to make and throw because it goes super far. All right, first, fold in half, like that, and open it back up down the crease, and you're gonna flip it over this time. And you're going to fold it in half again, like, or fold the corner in, down, that. All right, then do it on the other side to match. And then you're going to fold this down and have like, you're gonna have about a centimeter on each side of room, so like that. And then bring it back, and you're going to, after that, you're gonna fold these back in again, the corners. Make sure it's in line perfectly. There we go. And then do it on the other side. Fold it in. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now we're actually going to open it back up to here. And you see this crease we've made right here? You're going to line it up perfectly with this side as well, actually. Make sure it stays in within the crease that you've already made, pre-made. And then do it on the other side. Alright. There we go. Then you're gonna fold this back down again. So now it should look like this. And then you're gonna fold in this side, and then the other side. And see, before it was straight, but now it's on an angle. So that also helps pushing things forward. Now you got this really nice shape. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, like this, then fold out the wings. And on the other side. I recommend having vertical stabilizers for this plane, but not really big ones, because you don't need really big ones, and it just takes up more room. So there you go. And then, what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna fold this nose down so it takes minimal damage when falling, just in case if it hits a wall. And there you go.